one last piece of advice. Remember, listen to her body and respond the way you'd want her to respond to you.
Never listen to that.
Okay, thanks. That's very helpful.
You'll be a wonderful lover, Brian.
What are you doing?
Oh, sorry, you just had a little, something.
You just ruined everything.
Yes, Brian, big corporations never tell the truth. Look at the Kleenex industry.
Well, we had another good quarter. I guess a lot of people are sneezing out there.
Jerry, I'm going to let you in on something, and it can't leave this room. Our research shows the primary use of our product is sperm.
What?
Yeah, and brace yourself for this. The second biggest use is women crying about nonsense.
But I thought sneezing was...
Jerry, it's sperm and nonsense.